Here's how to react on BeReal app. So basically, you see what your friends are doing in this moment. So what you can do, you can just go to the app and just tap here to react with emoji or real emoji. So it's simple. Just capture your own representation of the following emoji with a picture. So you just do that and then you continue and that's about it. And then you just react it with your and then you just react with your real emoji. Then for your own BeReal, you can just see all the real emoji and all of their reactions and all of that. So that's how you react on BeReal app.